This is the AOSU Solar Cam, model number C9C. It's a small, compact security camera with solar panels on the top, PTZ functionality. It also supports a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes, so no need to pay for cloud storage, and it's only $59. There's two-way talk, and there's also a built-in alarm. You can utilize the alarm to scare off an intruder, or you can use the two-way talk to communicate to your visitors. Now, the image quality that this camera produces is 2K. It's a 2K video resolution. At night, you have the option for infrared night vision, or you can utilize the spotlights to get color night vision. It's IP65 waterproof, and it does support smart displays such as Amazon Alexa and Google Home. The contents of the box includes a security sticker, a user manual, USB charging cable, mounting hardware, mounting bracket for the camera, a drill template, and the AOSU C9C. When it comes to installation for this camera, it's quite satisfactory. It's very easy. One of the easiest cameras I've ever installed. For brick or concrete installation, you may need to utilize the drilling template to pre-drill the holes. However, I will be installing this on siding, which is fairly soft, so there's no need for this drilling template. All you have to do is to ensure that the mounting bracket is straight while you insert these 3 screws. Once you've installed the mounting bracket, just push the camera onto the mounting bracket just like this, and it will click right into place. Very easy. There's a minor flaw with the design of this camera. That's with the solar panels. They're not adjustable. If you want to maximize how much sunlight your camera receives, it would have been nice to have adjustable solar panels. There's a few things that you should do before setup. 1. Install the AOSU app from your app store. 2. Make sure that you have already plugged the camera in and it's now charged up and ready to go. And 3. Insert a micro SD card. The largest supported is 128 gigabytes. Open up the AOSU app and go to Add a Device. Then scan the QR code on the side of the camera.
Please scan the QR code on the device or home base with your phone.
Now hold down the power button for about 5 seconds. Find your Wi-Fi network among the list of networks and select it. Then enter your credentials. Only 2.4 gigahertz frequency is supported, no 5 gigahertz supported. And that's it for the setup.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you very clear.
Oh, okay. No delays?
No delays. Sounds like a regular phone call. Clear.
Do I sound low or?
The volume is fine. I can hear you pretty clear.
This is a sample of how the 2K video resolution looks during the day, and we are starting off at 5 feet, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is how it looks in the backyard right now, with the lights off. This is with the light on. This is how it looks with color night vision, which means the spotlights are turned on. This is how it looks with infrared night vision, which means the spotlights are turned off. Alexa, show solar cam.
Okay.
This feature right here, it's pretty amazing. So on most PTZ cameras, you utilize the controls to go up, down, left, and right. On this camera, you have the option to take a panoramic photo around, so the camera will scan around and make a panoramic photo, and wherever you touch in that photo, the camera will automatically pan to that location. That's much easier than using a PTZ control. So what are your thoughts? Leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one.